Hello, today is Friday, January 4th, 2013. This is my first video in the new year. Hopefully everybody had a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, whatever holiday that you celebrated. So here is the GFS model for Saturday afternoon. Got a little wave of low pressure out in the Midwest. Pretty clear throughout most of the country though, with the exception of some of the Gulf Coast states. Pacific Northwest is surprisingly pretty clear, not being totally battered by heavy rain and snow. And then a little bit out here, but compared to the last few weeks, not that bad. By Sunday afternoon, little wave of low pressure moves into the Ohio Valley. Some rain for the Gulf Coast states from Louisiana to Florida, and again now some more moisture moving in to California, Nevada, Oregon, Washington, Pacific Northwest area. By Monday, cold high pressure moves into the Northeast states, and strong high pressure at that, and a nice return flow into the to the south and the Midwest, so warming up here with some cold weather out for the Four Corners area. By Tuesday, we got the high moves east off the East Coast, bringing in some more warm air for the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast, with some showers and thunderstorms coming into the Texas, Oklahoma area. And by Wednesday, we got a blocking pattern, somewhat of a blocking pattern coming, so the high pressure off the East Coast, making in for some really warm temperatures, showers and thunderstorms, maybe even some severe weather, and some cold weather behind it, may ending as a little wet snow for parts of the western Great Lakes. Here is the NAO. It is currently neutral to slightly positive. It will in the coming weeks be making its way to the neutral negative phase. And here is the low temperatures for tonight, Friday night, going to be in the teens and 20s for much of the Northeast, Mid-Atlantic, and Ohio Valley, even some single digits out for parts of the western Great Lakes. Highs on Saturday will be from the single digits for the eastern Canada, and teens and 20s for the Northeast and Ohio Valley, and 30s and 40s for the Mid-Atlantic and Southeast. Now here is next Friday, the 12th, or the 11th in the evening. Big trough coming into, this is the Navy no gaps model, by the way. Big trough coming into the southwest, negative or positively tilted trough. This is the Canadian model's big area, a big trough coming in, digging into the west. A lot of warm weather out ahead of it, and this is the European with a similar outlook for Friday the 11th as well. So pretty good agreement with some sort of big change in the weather pattern coming, warming up in the east, cool down in the west later next week. And just another thing to say, I am starting school up next week. Last fall I was taking 2 to 3 classes, and this fall, or this spring semester, I'm going to be taking 4 classes, so I'm going to be busy. So I probably won't be able to make as many videos as I have been doing, but I will try to keep up with it. I don't know when I'm going to be posting next, but I will try and keep posting. Alright, well, get ready for the weather pattern change over the next week.